Alright guys, we're gonna make a little video here of this sway bar. It's gonna be for the TRX700. Got it from Brandon. He's been doing these for a while now, building a bunch of them. And so there's some other guys doing them too. And this one here looks like it's in a lot better quality. So basically, poly bushings, grease fittings, and enough welds here on the side so it won't move around too much, just like the factory. A factory moves a little bit like that, which is supposed to be necessary. So basic silver paint job. So anyway, gonna be installing them on these, so I'm gonna be removing it and showing y'all how to install it and my review and what I think of it. Okay, so this is the factory one, which is more of what a sway bar normally looks like. Factory bushings, everything. I weighed it and it looks like it was a 1.7, and then this guy is 3.5, so a little less than, almost 2 pounds, a little less than 2 pounds, the difference between the weight difference. So if that is a concern for you guys, well, just letting y'all know. And it mounts up basically the same way as the other one, so I'm in the process of doing that right now. If I see any pointers, I'll let y'all know. Alrighty, so it's all installed. It went in pretty easy. Didn't take too much time at all. 14 millimeters here. You need 2 ratchets, 2 wrenches right there, and put that on, and the 12 millimeters on top. And then I went ahead and put marine grease in there, which is water. Good for areas gonna have water in it. Tighten everything up, snug, and it seems to be everything is good. So there she is, guys. So if you purchase one of these, that's what you'll be looking at. It's just like that. In the back, that's what you're gonna see. Just giving everybody an idea, because I know before I purchased this, I had a lot of questions about how it would look and how it would perform. So I'm gonna go take it for a ride and give you my honest opinion on it. Okay, guys? All right. Well, before I go for a ride, I noticed this, that it doesn't take all the lean angle away, so your IRS is still gonna work. So if I push on this side, the four-wheeler goes, it goes to that side, and that shock goes up and down, and the other one doesn't. So I'm already noticing that. So you do have your IRS still gonna be working, unlike like if you're on top of just a straight quad. Yeah, you still got movement side to side. Shock works separate from each other, so that's good. That's good news. All right, let's see how she rides. Okay, yeah, it rips and it handles so well. The IRS still works. It's just limited, and wow, it drives like you're driving an LTZ 400 or you're driving a something with a straight axle, Raptor or whatnot, but better because it's so smooth, and each tire reacts differently to suspension, but it gets to a certain point where the sway bar kicks in and then it just evens out. So it works. It's a plus. There's no negative to it. I can't see how it create any issues. If there was any issues, the link would break, not the control arm on the sway bar. That is the weakest part. So yeah, I say this is a plus. This is a great mod. I mean, it tears up. Let me see if I can get my wife out here to take a video. But yeah, if you want to do, I mean, you can go in really hot in turns, get it sideways. It doesn't plow. It just goes where you want it to. It's a different bike completely. I mean, I was in second gear. I came in here. I just did a bunch of turns, donuts and stuff, and hit the gas and then go straight. And when you yank the steering wheel and you put your body to one side, makes the back end go out a little bit, and it takes a turn much faster than it did before. Before, you had to drive it kind of like a dirt bike, where you had to your driving line, so it was a little bit different. Now you drive it like a four-wheeler, like a race quad basically, but with the ability to having, you know, more ground clearance and still have IRS, but it's just limited to not full IRS. So the point where it starts becoming more stiffer is quicker than the factory sway bar. So yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna see if I can put it under a rock or something and show you how the IRS works. Demonstration. Let me see how it works. One wheel is lifted. So IRS still works. So it's limited. I mean, obviously it's all right, man. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Demonstrates IRS still work. You saw it on the video when I was doing the little donuts. You see the one side of the suspension was a little bit more lean than the other, so the IRS is still working. One tire does go up freely from the other side until a certain point, and then it's the sway bar kicks in. So it does donuts a lot better. It's definitely not a you know, a solid axle differential. I mean, it still acts, but it's a way better than factory, and I really like it. So if anybody wants to buy the sway bars from Brandon, I would definitely recommend them. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you need some more content or anything like that, let me know. If something else you want to see, I can go ahead and make a video of it. All right, guys, enjoy. See ya.